Welcome to Stockton, California. This is how we roll, fully loaded. She's sunk because she's got a lot of weight on her. We've got 800 pounds of water in here, but when you're doing a job on the road, you got to be ready for everything. So we got our trusty toy hauler, Holly, fully loaded. If I can find the right key. Work and live, work and live. Some cabinets and tools. These toy haulers are worth their money if you're considering one. Just a few cabinets. All right. From one Reno to the next. We're all set up here. About to change this dungeon of a laundry room / pantry into something she actually wants to walk into. The perfect before scene of a laundry room that is in need of major repair. Right here. We have a dungeon, the laundry dungeon. It's got weird speckled texture. I don't know what it is. Nice old crack. And flat garage cabinets are made of a bunch of particle board. Some laminate. So as you can tell, this is very unmotivating to do your laundry. But after we're done with it and give it a little work and dirt spin, she's gonna be doing laundry every day, canceling her housekeeper. So, oh, I can't wait. Let's do this. Okay, we're about to repair this crack here. There's cracks everywhere in here because the house is shifting. And so we cleaned them out. You can see how big it is. And the first thing we're gonna do is put caulking in so it adds some elasticity. And then also rub the caulking on the paper because when you put joint compound on here, the moisture will make this warp and rise. So if you spread a little caulking on here, it'll kind of make it impervious to the moisture. And then, so we'll put caulking and then fiberglass tape and then more compound on top of that and smooth it over. And it might crack in the very far future, but at least it'll be a good repair for now. All right, we just got done mudding using some hot mud. And that way we can get to the next stages faster and faster. We did a very light, imperfect smooth just to make it look a little more modern than what she has, which is a really rough, imperfect smooth, kind of plaster looking texture. And you'll see it better when it's painted. And then we went around and caulked all the seams that came apart or weren't even caulked in the beginning. So now we're about to primer and then get the paint on. Okay, and over here, we prepped some pieces to be used for the laundry prep area. We got some legs and a little trim piece that goes across, you'll see. But we just primed because these were pine. You can get these at Lowe's. Primed and then painted hand brushed to give it a classic look instead of sprayed. And then over there, we got the countertops just drying with a nice special walnut stain. You'll see those up close later. All right. The grand reveal for our Aunt Joanna. She's gonna want to do laundry now. Come check out your new laundry room. Go ahead. Check it out. Check it out. Go ahead. We have more from in the party here. Go ahead and check it out.
Do you like it?